What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Today I've got a quick tutorial. This customer of mine has a wicked front swirl. So for this video I'll be showing you how to cut and style that cowlick so you wouldn't ever even know it was there. Let's get to it. So starting out, I'm going to fully saturate his hair and comb it in the direction we want it to lay down. This helps me get an idea of how long his hair is and how much length I'm able to remove before that cowlick starts to pop up. For this haircut, it's really tricky because I don't want the hair on the non-parted side to hang over the side of his head, and I also don't want the cowlick to stick up either. So for the non-parted section, I'll begin removing some length. I'm just going to take about an inch here only because his hair is a bit longer, but ultimately I'm trying to get this side even with the rim of his head and making sure that there's no hair hanging over the side. So once I get to the area of the hair where the swirl is, I'll remove slightly less hair than I would in the middle of the crown. This is just to make sure that this part is long enough to lay down. Sometimes cowlicks can have a mind of their own and they'll either stick up or flop over. So I'm making sure that I'm over directing the hair and that it is long enough to at least reach about the middle of the crown. It's important to note that when cutting the middle of the crown, you don't accidentally cut part of the swirl. So you have to be really aware of where the section is that causes the hair to swirl. For this haircut, his cowlick runs right along the side part. Also, an easy way to make sure you don't cut the cowlick too short is by trimming the hair multiple times in smaller increments and to comb the hair back after each time you make a pass through. Over to the non-parted section, I like to make sure that there's no hair hanging over the sides. Using shear over comb is my go-to for that. And for a comb over style, I also like to give the appearance that the hair from the front, middle, and back is meeting in the middle along the rim of the head. I'll cut this section vertically as well as diagonal. That just makes sure the hair doesn't hang over the sides and it gives it a nice textured appearance. So once you've got the hair to a good length, you want to cross-check the sections. Here I'm using shear over comb to make sure everything is even, rounded off nicely, and has an overall good shape to the haircut. Once I finish with the cut, I'll throw some pomade in his hair just to make sure everything is on point. Pomade I use is called Master Crew Comb. I'll put a link in the description. I've used their medium hold pomade since I started cutting hair. It works amazing in almost everyone's hair. Absolutely love their products. I've tried dozens of others over the years and honestly nothing compares. So that's it for the video. Please give it a thumbs up. I'm new to YouTube, but I plan to keep rolling out as many videos as possible, and I hope to see you again. Peace.